Greetings and welcome to this short video that will demonstrate the newest features in Hector's online asset management application. In this video, we'll be taking a look at users. So what are the improvements that we've brought to users within the application itself? So first things you need to know is within the settings section, in the general menu, you can now choose how the first and last name of your users will display within the application. So you could choose to display the username by first name, last name, first name, or even include a unique code within the user display within the application. Second things you need to know is that you can now attach documents to users. So we could navigate out to a specific user and not only add their photo, but also add information with regards to that specific user, have it upload into their profile, save, and now you've added documents to users. And the last thing I want to show you guys today is what we call external signup. What does that mean? So regardless of whether you're in a local, Azure, Active Directory, OneLogin, Google, whatever you're using to connect to the application, you could allow external people from your company to sign up and, for example, perform loaners or do some equipment requests. So how do you get that going if that's something that's interesting for you? The first thing you would do is come in and turn on the external sign up, and then you'll be asked to fill in some information. So first things first, authorized domains. What are those? Here is where you would lock down who can come into your environment and create an account without you necessarily being aware. So the idea here is you could lock down the email address to only your company, or you could add multiple companies or leave it wide open. As we can see here, all domains are authorized to sign it. Second thing we can do is choose which fields will be requested from the user to fill in order for them to create an account within your environment. Some of the default options, do you want them to be an administrator by default? Do you want a city to be populated by default? Do you want a department to be populated by default? And so on. And then last but not least, you could provide your own data protection policy from your company that would tell the user that even if they're signing up to your environment, this is how you're going to address and protect their information. Once you hit save, what's going to happen? It's going to add a link to your login screen, create an account. Person's going to be able to create an account, come in, let's go back to English, to this registration form and fill in all the information that you requested, check that they agree with your data protection policy, and then confirm. This is going to create their account, send them an email with a password, allowing them to connect with the permissions and role that you've set up in the previous screen. So this is really cool if you want external users to be able to sign up to your Hector environment, start making loaners, start reserving equipment, and then allowing you to manage traffic, obviously, with regards to what's being loaned. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want more content. I want to wish you guys a great day and stay tuned for more videos.